Be sure to subscribe, like, share. I'm always doing random stuff. You know, I learned from my dad just to kind of try to do what you can by yourself. So I'll show you the stuff that you need for this job. Wear some gloves. It's good to wear some gloves, especially when you're messing with chemical, because you don't know how your body's going to be affected in the long term by the chemicals you use. But right there is most of the stuff that I've been using. Is there a shadow? No, there's no shadow getting casted on me. That's kind of cool. Well, I was tripping out. There was a bird on the wire back here. It looked like a very unique bird. You need a broom. You need the mesh. A spreader to spread the stuff, and scissors to cut the mesh. So, and I forgot the name that he told me for this roofing stuff. Ultimate, oh, Elastis, no, whatever. Anyways, this is the stuff you're gonna use to repair the roof leak. It's leaking around here. I did the measurements from the edge of the roof to the other edge of the roof and ended up right here. So whoever did the repair last, I don't know, it lasted one season and then now it's all cracked and messed up. But they didn't use any of this mesh. So maybe that's the secret. This is the secret for roof repair. And it's for asphalt, cement, reinforcement fabric. Wow. Cool. It's almost like doing a fiberglassing on a roof. I'll show you the end result when I'm finished. I'm up on the roof today doing a little bit of a roof repair. We were stopped at this roof place in Santa Fe Springs, and the guy said to get this, put it on the crack, right? And then get some of this flex tape or repair extender, asphalt, cement, reinforcement fabric. And he said to put this. So put the whatever they call this. I forgot what the name that guy used this. Anyways, put this roofing stuff on the crack. Put this on top of that stuff, and then put this down, and then put this again, and then it would create a nice seal for this leaky roof. But while I was up here, I was just thinking about, oh gosh, maybe even 30 years ago, I would be up on this roof. And this tree over here was actually smaller. They just planted that tree like probably 30 years ago. Maybe even, no, I would say 30 years ago, 35 years ago. And then I was just up on this roof. I was feeling kind of nostalgic looking around saying, man, when I was up on this roof, I would come up here to pray, have some spiritual time. Not sure why I felt more spiritual on the roof, but I did. It's actually kind of cool being up here. But anyways, I'm doing this roof repair today, and I thought I'd share that because I've been a Christian since 1990 and it's 2020 now. I'm just rounding it off, somewhere around 1990, 89, 90, 91. Up on the roof on a hot day in October. That fig tree was smaller too, but that's a fig tree mixed up with something else. Anyways, you gotta clean the area, sweep it, clean it up really good, and then they say scrape some of, I'm trying to scrape some of that old glue off, but I could feel it digging into the roof, and I'm not trying to damage anything, so I'm not. I put this cardboard down because my knees were burning. But anyways, I want to show you the texture of this stuff. Look at it. So it's probably good that I'm doing this on a hot day. So I'm gonna put it here. Hope that it will stick. Guess gotta work it in there. I'm starting at the edge to where the leak is. Probably really. So you see, and then I'm gonna put the mesh down. I've never done this before, so if you're a professional watching this video and maybe getting a laugh out of it, enjoy. I'm not sure how long it took me, but look, this is it. So I put one, I might go back and put another layer of that tar looking stuff, but I'm glad it's a hot day. I'm burning up here, but you know what, I think it's going to have the best result. Hopefully the heat will make it really soak in. But I used the mesh. I did it like in about maybe 2 feet of mesh, and then I went to another 2 feet, so roughly maybe about 2 feet of mesh until I got done. This had more overlap right here. I don't see any mesh, so I think I sealed it pretty good.